MSI Optix MAG301RF Review. 200Hz Ultrawide Beast or Overhyped? Ever felt stuck staring at a sluggish screen that just can't keep up with your reflexes? The stutters, the lag, the wasted milliseconds, it's enough to make any gamer rage quit. Add in missed shots, washed out colors, and the creeping thought that your gear is secretly holding you back, and you've got the recipe for pure frustration. Deadlines closing in, endless grind, and the monitor you trusted suddenly feels like a bottleneck. Burnout creeps up as stress stacks higher than your frame per second. Those split-second delays cost victories, opportunities, even sanity. What if smooth gameplay and razor-sharp focus weren't luxuries but non-negotiables? Because when your screen betrays you, you're not just losing a game, you're bleeding time and momentum. Enter the MSI Optix MAG301RF, the ultrawide 30-inch monster built for gamers who demand speed, precision, and immersion. Featuring a 200Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond rapid IPS response, it's engineered to eliminate blur, lag, and screen tearing. G-Sync compatibility plus FreeSync Premium means no stutter, no tearing, just buttery-smooth gameplay that feels alive. The 21:9 aspect ratio expands your vision, giving you tactical awareness and cinematic immersion. HDR readiness makes every world more vibrant, while the Gaming OSD app and night vision mode give you fine-tuned control in dark maps. One real-life save-the-day moment? A streamer dodged elimination in a clutch FPS round thanks to its extra peripheral vision, literally seeing what their opponent missed. Whether you're climbing rank ladders, editing video, or juggling multiple apps, this monitor isn't just a display, it's your secret weapon for winning more, creating more, and finally working with focus instead of fighting distractions. What makes the Optix MAG301RF more than just specs on paper? It's the real-world transformation. Experts call it a perfect marriage of IPS color accuracy and esports level speed. Analysts highlight the 200Hz plus ultra-wide combo as a competitive edge rarely seen at this price. Influencers rave about the buttery motion in shooters, while gamers gush over the 21:9 field of view that reveals enemies lurking just outside standard screens. One reviewer said, "Once you go 200Hz ultra-wide, 60Hz feels broken." Another customer admitted they now multitask like a boss, Discord, Chrome, and OBS open side by side with zero struggle. The HDR-ready panel won't rival OLEDs, but it still delivers bold contrast and striking color depth. The stand is sturdy, adjustable, and the Mystic Light RGB adds a subtle glow to your setup. And here's the kicker, at its price, this monitor punches well above its weight class. Curious why thousands are switching? It's because this screen doesn't just show you the game, it changes how you play it. Isn't it time you stopped missing opportunities and started seeing more, doing more, winning more? Stock won't last, gamers already know this is the sleeper hit of 2025. Don't wait, don't hesitate, secure your MSI Optix MAG301RF now before it's gone. Join thousands who already upgraded their desk, their games, and their lives with this ultra-wide beast. Stop settling for laggy, outdated gear. Act now, seize your chance, and level up your vision today. The battleground isn't waiting, and neither should you.